Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to talk about CES 2022 just unveiled TOGG, Turkey's first electric car. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Several new electric vehicles and electric vehicle concept vehicles have been announced and displayed in preparation for the Consumer Electronics Show 2022, which will be held from January 5th to 8th in Las Vegas. This sets the stage for 2022 to be yet another year of growth in EV innovation, production, and adoption. Founded in 2018 as a joint venture, TOGG, or Turkey's Automobile Joint Venture Group Incorporated, is a Turkish automotive company that manufactures automobiles. TOGG is a Turkish company with its headquarters in Istanbul. According to Karakash, the automobile industry is undergoing a rapid transition towards a mobility ecosystem. In his words, the revolution that occurred in the mobile phone industry as a result of shifting customer expectations is unfolding right now in the vehicle industry. Firms that are more agile, innovative, collaborative, and user-centric will be the most successful soon, rather than those that are massive and well-established, according to Gartner. The race in this field has only recently begun, and we are taking part in it as well. Furthermore, because we were born into this world, we have a significant advantage over those who were not born into it. TOGG was established to design and implement a user-centric strategy. In the words of Gürkan Karakas, we described our C-SUV smart device as a user-centric smart device that is smart, empathetic, connected, autonomous, shared, and electric. We described our connected, autonomous, shared, and electric C-SUV smart gadget as follows: connected, autonomous, shared. Apply the case, more than 100 nations around the world have registered the trademark mobility, which represents these characteristics. More than 40 new concepts were developed as a result of our extensive experience with over 350 application cases. More than 2,000 people took part in the quantitative research, which included more than 30 focus groups and interviews for a total of more than 2,000 individuals. We created a user journey map based on the concepts we prioritized, which is a visual representation of the user's journey. As an example, TOGG's inventions, which have been grouped under the Smart Life platform, cover much more than the development of a fully connected automobile, according to Karakas. We are addressing the development of TOGG entirely from the standpoint of the user. The success of a product is dependent on whether or not it adds value to the user's lifestyle. We take a user-centric and data-driven approach to business, and we are designing mobility solutions to match their demands. Working on solutions that will deliver a more comfortable mobility experience through the ecosystem, which will gradually spread around our smart device in the future, is something we're very excited about. TOGG unveiled a dynamic and imaginative fastback at the 2022 Consumer Electronics Show that presents TOGG's artistic DNA while bringing together smart electric, autonomous, and connected technology in one package. TOGG's automobile is likely to make its premiere during the event. As the foundation for the styling concept, which results in a powerful side profile, the muscular rear design and a shoulder line that runs from the headlamps to the back of the car serve as a starting point. Despite being visible from a distance, the lit TOGG insignia on the car represents the fusion of Eastern and Western civilizations, and represents the merger of East and West. TOGG's team sought to keep the company's Turkish heritage, while also establishing a global brand identity for the organization during the logo selection process. According to Gürkan Karakas, the two arrows in the logo design represent the union of East and West, which resulted in the construction of a gemstone in the center. The duality concept in our logo encourages us to strive for a rational and emotional balance between East and West, while designing the exterior and interior of a structure. TOGG is a technology company that connects people and technology at the crossroads of now and tomorrow through life-improving mobility solutions. This is emphasized by our logo. A total of 1 million electric vehicles, EVs, in 5 sectors are planned to be produced by 2030, with the first car likely to be released in late 2022 or early 2030, according to TOGG. The batteries for the EVs will be manufactured in-house at a 20 GWh battery factory in Gemlik, Bursa, Western Turkey, under an agreement announced in October between TOGG and Chinese battery maker Farasis Energy as part of a larger 20 GWh battery plant project in the region. Also announcing its intention to transition to an all-electric fleet starting in late 2022 is VinFast, a Vietnamese automaker that has announced that it will cease all production of internal combustion engines by the end of the year to devote more resources to research and development efforts on all-electric powertrains for its electric vehicles. VinFast has also announced that it will transition to an all-electric fleet starting in late 2022. The business already offers 2 electric vehicles, and at the Consumer Electronics Show, it unveiled 3 new models that will be available soon. SONY Corporation, a Japanese technology corporation, announced at the event that it intends to establish Sony Mobility Incorporated in the spring of 2022, March to June, to investigate its entry into the electric vehicle industry. Sony Mobility Inc. will be based in Tokyo and will investigate its entry into the electric vehicle industry. On the CES 2022 exhibition floor, it also displayed a prototype sports utility vehicle as part of its Vision S initiative, which aims to improve daily mobility through the use of innovative transportation technologies. Several major automakers made announcements, including MERCEDES-EQXX Benz electric vehicle, which has a range of 620 miles, BMW, which displayed the new electric iX M60 sports activity vehicle, and the iX Flow SUV, the latter of which can change colour from light to dark pigments, among other features, and Audi, which displayed the new electric i3 sedan. 2 concept vehicles from Hyundai Mobis, a subsidiary of Hyundai Motors, were also on display, the M.VISION Pop EV electric vehicle and the M.VISION TOGG hydrogen fuel cell shared mobility vehicles. Touted as a global brand with an intellectual and industrial property that is wholly controlled by the Turkish government, TOGG is a Turkish company. Many smart energy solutions are incorporated in the company's product line, and the company has ambitious plans for the next decade, which include the development of its batteries through a joint venture with Ferasis Energy. Additionally, it wants to manufacture 1 million vehicles across 5 categories by 2030, according to the business. The production version of the TOGG use case mobility concept will be introduced before the end of this year to prepare for the global introduction of the concept in the first quarter of 2023. It is expected to be followed by an entry-level sedan and hatchback, with a more compact SUV and people mover entering the lineup later on, all of which will be constructed on the same platform, it is expected. What do you think of our video? We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know about your favourite part of the video in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.